In today's video, let me show you how to join a Discord server. Now, there are two things that you can do in this situation. Either you need a invitation link or you can join the freely available servers inside of the Discover section. If you're trying to join a server and you have an invite, you can just paste in the link on a web browser that Discord is logged into, and you straight away see this section of accept invite. Once you accept this invite, your Discord server will be joined. Now, this is the first way, which will require an invite from the other person. If not, and if you're trying to join public servers, you can head over to the Discover section and then find different servers that you can join. There are a lot of categories on the top as well. Just head over to each of these categories and then find the server that you're trying to join. Once you open up the server, you'll see the option called join on the top. Once you click on the join option, as easy as that, you have now successfully joined a public server inside of Discord. You can repeat the process to join other servers as well in different categories and different niches. So that's all there is in joining servers inside of Discord. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.